Hello and welcome to the COVID-19 cooking show, where this show will be devoted to the wonderful administrative professionals Terry and Michelle. Today I'm going to be cooking tofu. And the reason why I do this is because we had an amazing potluck with tofu in the past. And so all you do is take a pot and start heating it on medium heat, and you're going to add a little bit of oil in the pot, just enough to make about a 2 to 3 inch circle of oil. And what I like to do is prepare ahead of time all the spices. And so I take out my spices that I need, and I actually cut up garlic ahead of time, but I need to use my other hand to open it. So take this garlic, I chopped it up already and then put it in a container in the fridge. I like to do that. So a good amount of garlic, I like a lot, so that's a good amount. And then also take some chili flakes or crushed red pepper, and probably about that much is good. I mean, that's gonna be pretty spicy, but you can do half that. Next is mustard seeds. So this is not a really strong spice, so I feel like that's it's okay if you put a little extra. That amount should be good. The next one I like to use are cumin seeds. I don't have many left. Because of the COVID situation, I'm running out of some spices. But, you know, about that much is good. And next, I will add fenugreek. So fenugreek seeds are really fragrant. They're really nice. They're also pretty easy to buy if you go to like a food co-op or an international grocery store. So you need just a couple, something like that. So you want to cook this on medium heat, just enough so that they'll start to sizzle for a minute or two and become fragrant. And try to get everything in the oil, because the oil is what's going to flavor the rest of the dish. So you see it's starting to sizzle, which is nice, but we need to leave it in for another minute or so. So in the meantime, you'll want to take your tofu, and whatever kind of tofu you want is good, but I think that the firm is a really good choice, and then I just cube it. When you see that this is getting to be pretty sizzly, you can start to cook your tofu in this. Alright, now for the tofu. Next, I like to add a little bit of coconut oil just for flavor. It's really nice. So you can get any kind of coconut oil. You can use coconut milk too, but you know, you only need a little bit. So now you can add tumeric for that nice yellow color. Now don't forget to add the salt. If you add salt earlier, you're going to have a much better time getting some of the water out of the tofu. and this will make sure that the tofu doesn't burn. So add your salt early. Don't wait too long. You probably want to add a couple of shakes of coriander. If you're really going to measure this, it would probably be about a teaspoonful. Next, I like to add garam masala. So this is garam masala, a good amount. If you're finding that the tofu is sticking in the bottom, you can add a little bit of water. You can see it's sticking a little bit on the bottom. The water should help. And this is really looking fabulous. It's nice and steamy. You can tell this tofu is looking great. I'm going to shut off the heat. As you can see, it is off. And look at that. Gorgeous. Bon appetit!